Now I am going to show you how you can develop Neutralinojs applications using the latest release, the V2 release, using the Neutralinojs CLI. First of all, make sure that you are having the latest CLI version. To install the latest CLI, you can run this command on your terminal. So in this computer, I already installed the latest version. So I will run this command, new command, and check the output. So if we are getting this kind of notice, it is saying that V2 is only available for Linux and Windows, it is not yet available for Mac OS, but you can support us to build it for Mac OS as well. So if you are having this notice, it means that you are using the latest version of Neutralinojs CLI. So let's create a small application. As usual, I am going to use a new create and the application name. So earlier the CLI was downloading the JS template, but importantly it will always use this blank template, and we'll create the project. If you check the project structure, now we are having neutralinoj.config.json file and also the binaries, and also importantly for the Windows we are having one dynamic link library and also this resources folder. I mentioned that we can define our own structure. We don't need to use resources always. You can use any folder name to store your static content. If you are going to use a different folder name, you can update this config file. You can modify this value, the resources path, and also this entry point here, entry URL, if you are going to use other directory. Now I already created the project, so let's enter to that directory, and I am going to run a new run command to execute the application. So my application is running now. It is using the latest version of Neutralinojs. Now we can use new listen as well. If you need automatic reloading, let's try it. I am going to modify something in index.html. Let's check whether the auto reload feature is working fine with the latest version. I am going to modify this Neutralinojs text into hello world. I'm going to save it. So it is working fine. The page is already reloaded automatically. I will close the application. Let's try to build the application. Earlier we had the release command to build the binaries, but now we are having build command. Just enter new build. It is saying that we need to check the disk directory. Let's check the disk directory. So inside the disk directory we have a new folder called my project name, and inside we have the main resource file and also a set of binaries for each platform, and this is the DLL file for Windows. So how to release the application? Right now for the release, one zip file will be created with all the binaries. Let's create one. We are going to use the same command but with a different option, new build and release option. Now apart from the directory we have zip file. Inside the zip file you have all the binaries and the resource file and this DLL file for the Windows. Now you can simply share this one with users. Later we are going to introduce some installers as well for each platform. So have a nice day. See you in next video.